This guy made over $300,000 selling 3D prints, and then he just ditched the entire business because he found something much easier and way more profitable. Now he's making over $20,000 per month just by posting simple videos like this. And the craziest part, he doesn't even ship a single product. So what's his secret? And more importantly, let's look at how you can do this as well. Last year he started posting these random clips to Instagram. There was no crazy strategy, no plan of making any money, just some cool design and his fast-paced edits. But even back then his videos were already pretty solid, but they weren't making him any money. Then he posted this video. This got over 20 million views and changed everything for him. So he doubled down. After that he made other miniature versions going viral every time. You might also know this design of this game holder he created, which was all over social media. And his latest designs were all kinds of plants that have any hidden feature, making him tens of millions of views. All of this got him close to 1 million subscribers on YouTube, over 800,000 followers on Instagram, and over 500,000 followers on TikTok with just around 60 videos. He knew that he had something that could make him a lot of money. People in his comments are begging him to sell his designs, and he could just reopen his store and make tens of thousands of dollars. But he isn't doing any of that. So let's look at the link on his profile. Here are all of the designs he's previously done. You can download them and print his designs for yourself, but they are obviously not free. These files are exclusive for his members. To get access to his designs, you have to buy a membership. There are 3 tiers to buy a membership. First tier is $12 per month, allowing you to download 6 designs, but you can't sell them. And for $20 per month, you can download 20 designs and you have all the rights to sell the designs, but you can't share the files obviously. And for $50 per month, you get unlimited access to all of his designs and you can sell them as long as you're subscribed. Right now, he should have around 1,500 paying members that are paying $15 on average, which brings us to $22,500 every single month, which is pretty good. But I think that he would make even more money with just selling his product, because a bunch of his followers don't even have a 3D printer. But there are severe disadvantages to selling physical products. Printing and shipping out this many products would require him a warehouse of 3D printers and a handful of employees to handle the fulfillment of the orders. And even if he wants to grow his company, he would need to grow his print farm and his team again and again. This creates a lot of risk and costs for him. I think he's not willing to take. And one really good thing about memberships is that the members pay him every single month, which makes him even more money than just a one-time purchase. There is one really big problem with his strategy. A lot of his products are being leaked online, and if you go on MakerWorld or Printables, you can find his products for free, and there's basically nothing he can do about it. He certainly can take these listings down, but this will take a lot of time and effort, and then just the next person comes and uploads his designs again. But regardless, this will happen over and over again, and people will always copy each other's designs, so there is really nothing he can do about it, and that's just the business of 3D printing. Let's come to the most important part, and that's how you can actually make money from this. You can actually buy his membership and try to sell his designs. If you are subscribed to the second tier, you're allowed to sell his products wherever you want. You can sell these designs, for example, on Etsy, and people are definitely making money from this. I checked this with eRank, and here are the top results. They are making thousands of dollars with just his designs. It's definitely possible, but there is also already a lot of competition. 90% of these listings don't make any money at all. The second and much better option is making similar style content to his and just add a link to your store in the description. His content in his Instagram account definitely proved that it can work. He's just not willing to spend the time 3D printing and shipping out these actual products. So why don't you do it? I thought about doing it as well, and I might might do, comment it down below if I should do it.